So I just got done tumbling a bunch of rings in my tumbler here, and we're just going to be pulling them out and kind of cleaning them up. Exciting. Get us some paper towel to set them on. And let's go fishing and see what we find. There's a whole bunch of rings in here. This one, let's see. This one's a Walking Liberty $50. Happy Saturday. Got a little bit of a cold front here, so it's nice and cool outside. I'm pretty stoked about that. See if we can line this up any better here. I just tumbled a whole bunch of rings, so these are all going to be real nice and shiny. There's another Walking Liberty. $19.41. That's the one I've been wearing lately. I like it a lot. Figured I'd give it a bath. Let's see what this is. That's a peace dollar. Nice and shiny from 1922. It's a good looking ring. Let's see what else we've got. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Just gave some rings a bath in my tumbler. There's another peace dollar from 1922. What are the odds? Let's see what else we've got. These bubbles, though. Ooh, this is a Libertad. This is a cool ring. This one's fine silver. See if we can get a little better look at it. It's pretty cool. And there's text on the edge here, which I don't see a lot, so that's pretty cool. Y'all feel free to tap on that little gold chain by the comments. That'll pull up my products. And if we get an order in, I'll stop cleaning these up and get to work on whatever you'd like made. So y'all check that out, see if there's anything in there you want to get. This is a thinner band style I've been experimenting with on the quarters. I like this one a lot. Ooh, this one's super secret. This is a nickel. It's like a more recent buffalo nickel. I usually don't work on nickels, but this is pretty much the only one I've ever made. See the buffalo head right there? 5 cents. Inside's a little slick. It's a tiny coin. I don't really like working with it too much. Ooh, this is a fine silver Philharmonic. This is the first one of these I've made so far. It's got a bunch of musical instruments on it. A harp, standing bass. Oh yeah. It's cool. There's a French horn, part of an oboe. Very nice and shiny. It depends on the coin that the ring is made out of. So the cheapest ones I do are just copper-clad quarters like this. Usually the band's a little thicker, but those start at 20. 90%.